Hello, are you looking for Tekvisions Armour Pad pin pads for your school cafeteria POS? You can now save big by ordering direct from AlphatechsUSA. As the original designer and manufacturer of Tekvisions Armour Pad model, we offer a superior school lunch pin pad at an exclusive factory direct price. Specifically designed for U.S. school cafeterias, our school nutrition pin pad comes with tactile keys allowing students to manually enter their ID code. Optional 1D, 2D QR, and RFID readers can also be added to your pin pads to make your school lunch lines move even faster. Our pin pads are compatible with all U.S. school cafeteria software. They are designed and assembled in the U.S., made of superior materials, FCC approved, USB certified and covered by our 3-year warranty. To save big on Tekvisions Armour Pad school lunch pin pads, visit AlphatechsUSA.com or call 888-778-9972.